How to invite friends to Clearpay. If you'd like to invite your friends to the Clearpay app and also suggest them to start using it, it is quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Clearpay app and also make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. Now what you want to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see from the very top left of the screen right there. Once you tap on the profile icon, here you can see the third option that says invite a friend and get 10 euros off, and this depends upon the country that you're in, by the way. So you can invite a friend and get this much off when they start using account and whenever you're trying to buy something. So here you can see your invitation code. You can tap the share option and share them with your friends, and whenever they're creating an account they can enter this promo code, and then both of you will be equally rewarded. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.